Yo, 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 yo. Here's another review for Ross, however you say it. This is their meat lasagna. This is what it has, no preservatives. And this company's been in business since 1896. That's the company that takes a year to get into the restaurant, but you can get the food at your house. Here's a quick snapshot of that. Pause it if you need it. And I buy these products all the time. It's definitely worth checking out. And you can get the quality food in your house and you don't have to go anywhere. Let me open it up and you can see. This is what that thing looks like. And you put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. So let me microwave that and then I'll show it to you. This is another food review by Dan Soy Cook. It's actually still on the microwave mode. But that's what that thing looks like in their restaurants. Of course, it's not going to look like that in the box, but it's a pretty close it's pretty close to it, and you definitely get the taste. I will definitely be back in a second. Sorry for the delay. All right, YouTube. So there it is, right there. That lasagna, right out of the container, frozen. Look how fresh that is. So you definitely you see that cheese in there? And that sauce, so that comes from the legendary Ross. So thanks for another food review. I'll be bringing you food reviews 2 or 3 times a week, so you can see different products. But if you ever get the chance, definitely give this a try. And I'm gonna enjoy eating this, and I've had this before, so it's awesome. Talk to you later. Dan Soy Cook. Peace. Bye bye.